Today I'm gonna tell you two advanced prepositions like instead of and in spite of. Number one, instead of. Instead of is used when I talk about at the place of something or I'm looking for an alternative. Let's see some examples. I am going to America instead of London. I will go instead of Ram. I'm just talking about at the place of something. Number two, in spite of. In spite of is used when I just talk about regardless something or even though. Like, in spite of having a lot of money, he doesn't spend. In spite of having knowledge, you can't speak in English. In spite of having a lot of cars, you don't use. Keep learning, keep supporting. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.